If you've ever tried to move just one part of an object and the entire design moved instead, you're not alone. Illustrator has 3 different selection tools, and each one controls your artwork in a very different way. Let's break them down. The selection tool works at the object level when you click. Illustrator treats the object, or group, as a single unit. This is ideal when you want to move, scale, rotate, or transform everything together. The direct selection tool works at the path level. Instead of selecting the whole object, it lets you select individual anchor points and path segments. This is what you use when you want to reshape or refine a specific part of an object. The group selection tool works at the hierarchy level. It lets you select individual objects within a group without ungrouping them. These 3 tools gives you precise control over how you interact with artwork in Illustrator. Before editing your next design, pause and consider the level of control you need: object, path, or group. Choosing the right tool makes your workflow faster, cleaner, and more intentional.